Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're having a great day. Today we'll be looking at the thumb fan and I'll be showing you a tutorial with some tips on how to perform it with a simple closure method, and if you enjoy this video, I'll teach a more advanced closure method in the following tutorial. So I hope you enjoy. Here it is. Today I'll be doing a thumb fan tutorial which looks just like that, and I'll be doing a simple closure method simply like that, this is the more advanced one which I will teach in a follow-up tutorial. Yeah, so let's get into it. So simply to start, get your non-dominant hand and you want to grip the cards with your thumb, index and middle finger. So what you do, you grip them like this. So you put your thumb in the middle of the deck like so, and you have your index and middle finger along the bottom short edge like so. You kind of want them facing diagonally towards the corner, so along the line like that. And then all you do, well not all you do, but so after this point, a good tip is to cock the cards backwards like so, because it makes a more full fan. So I'll show you without, and then if you look what happens if you move it backwards, you get a larger angle. So that's another tip. Well, that's a tip. So what you want to do is, once you're in this position, you just move the cards back. Good way to do this is with your index finger here, thumb here, middle finger here. Just push it back. Then what you want to do is you want to contact the side of the cards with your thumb, with the pad of your thumb. Then all you're going to do is you're going to maintain pressure with your thumb here, because this is the pivot point, and maintain pressure with the cards with the middle finger underneath. Then what you want to do is you want to rotate, push the cards with your thumb. I'll go through that a lot slower. You change where you apply pressure as you go round. You start by applying pressure with your thumb on the side, and then you slowly roll your thumb up, applying pressure going from the side to the top. So you kind of you roll the thumb and applying pressure at the different angles as you go along. You push, you roll the thumb up, applying pressure downwards, roll, and then eventually when you get to this point, you're pressing downwards, and you drag the cards round. You're dragging in this circular motion, in the circular pattern, in order to cause the fan effect. You can also change the appearance of the fan. You do this by where you place your thumb. So I'll show you that. So if you place your thumb at the corner closest to your hand, you'll see that you get a really small internal radius, and you get you get the cards basically visible on the outside here. And then if you do the opposite, so you put your thumb and the pivot at the corner furthest away from your hand, you'll see that you get a really large radius here, and you get no cards showing over here. So to be able to achieve that effect, you simply just move your thumb. It's just a thumb positioning, and you can go anywhere in between. Also, you can go up the deck. So if you were to go in the center, it would just produce like a 360. And so to get the biggest fan, you want to do it as close to the bottom edge as possible, and then that will produce a nice large fan. Another tip is when you perform the fan is to make sure your thumb is fully extended, because if you just have your thumb kind of bent like so, another tip is that when you're performing the fan, it's good to have your thumb fully extended, because if you do have it contracted like so, it doesn't make the fan as big, and it does minimize the amount you can spread the cards around. So if you had it bent, it would stop here. If you extend it, you can continue extending the cards around to there like so. Oops. So if we put that all together, you can see you can get a nice big fan. To close the fan, all you want to do is put your finger or thumb at where the fan ended, and simply pivot the cards back to the starting point, and that's it. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like to see more tutorials and videos of this type, let me know in the comments, and I'll do some more tutorials like spring, some more cardistry basics, and maybe some more advanced moves as well. So yeah, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.